Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix error code 195 Adobe Premiere Pro. Now basically this error code will go ahead and happen if you don't meet the minimum requirements for Adobe Premiere. So for example, if you don't have enough RAM, if you don't meet the operating system, if your processor isn't enough to go ahead and run Adobe Premiere, this problem will then go ahead and occur. Now, there is a slight way to go ahead and fix this problem. For some users it worked and for some it don't. And that is by uninstalling the Creative Cloud. So just head over to Add or Remove Programs, and from here you then want to search for the Creative Cloud. Unfortunately, as of the moment, I don't have that application right here, but what you can go ahead and do is to simply uninstall the application or repair it depending on which will go ahead and fix the problem. But the simplest way to go ahead and fix the problem is to meet the minimum requirements for Adobe Premiere Pro. From there, this error code will not appear. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.